Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to add other story to my story on Instagram without mention. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. So if they have mentioned you in a story, you have to go to your DM, go to their chat box, and here if they have mentioned you in a story, then you will get something like this, mentioned you in a story. And there you have to tap and you will just be able to add that in your story without mentioning them. And then there's another one that you can follow. It's let's go to this one. And here, just if you want to add this on your story without mentioning them, you can just take a screenshot of it and post it to your story. And if this is a video, you can just screen record with your phone's screen recorder and then just add to your Instagram story without mentioning them. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just do that. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.